I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing a transfer pending issue on Gumroad, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check your bank account information. Ensure that the bank account details linked to your Gumroad account are accurate and up to date. Incorrect information can cause delays in transfers. Step 2. Verify transfer amount. Make sure that the amount you're trying to transfer doesn't exceed your available balance on Gumroad. If it does, the transfer will remain pending. Step 3. Review transfer schedule. Gumroad typically processes transfers on a set schedule. Check the transfer schedule in your account settings to see if your transfer is simply waiting for the next processing date. Step 4. Check for account holds. Sometimes, Gumroad may place a hold on your account due to various reasons, such as a recent chargeback or policy violation. Review any notifications in your account for holds. Step 5. Contact Gumroad support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope these steps help you get your transfer sorted out. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.